straight your spine, roll your shoulder back, chest open, Gyan Mudra. Close your eyes, take a long deep breathing. And very gently breathe out. Again, long deep breathing. Breathe out. Relax your body. Relax your mind. Feel positive energy. Feel positive thought. Focus your breath. Relax. Inhale and exhale. Prepare yourself. Now very gently join your both palms. 3 times Om chanting. Om. Now start Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhur Swaha Tatsavitavarenyam Vargo Devasya Dhimahi Dheyo Yona Prachodaya. Very gently and softly rub your both palms. Touching your eyes. Touching your face, touching your neck, touch upper body and lower body and relax center. Okay, again everyone, roll your shoulder back, straight your spine. Now very gently rotate your neck. 10 count, clockwise direction. 1. And जिनको भी cervical problem है तो neck को half rotate. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now relax center again. Now get ready, butterfly pose. Bring your right and left knee. Interlock your feet, straight your spine, chest open. Look forward and shake your both knee. Try to do fast, everyone. Touch your knee, your mat. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on, try to do fast. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, again breathing. Lift your both hands up. Elbow properly straight. Chest open. and breathe out. Very gently come forward, drop your both palm down, forehead down, elbow properly stay. Touch your forehead, your mat. Hold for 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, very good, and 10. Okay, everyone, come back. Very gently, come up center. Now, straight your both leg like this. Touch your feet, the spine is straight. And stretch your toe 1 in and exhale leg forward. 10 count. 1, stretch your leg. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rotate your ankle, everyone, clockwise, spine is straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite anti-clockwise. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Again, everyone, bend your right knee, interlock your elbow like this. And the spine is straight, touch your thighs, your chest, spine is straight. 1, lift your leg up. 2, exhale down. Again, 3, inhale up. 4, down. 5, up. 6, down. Spine is straight. 7, again up. 8, down. 9 and 10. Now rotate your leg clockwise direction. 1, mountain to laser pose. Like exhale, mountain. 1, feet down, palm down. Then inhale, lift your left leg up and drop your left feet forward and tuck your right toe, right knee properly straight, elbow straight and look forward, laser pose. Okay, body one line. Again, come to mountain and inhale, lift your right leg up and drop your right feet forward. Then again, exhale, mountain, inhale, exhale, forward like this. Mountain to laser pose. Come on everyone, exhale, mountain pose. Come to mountain. Continue, come on. 1, mountain. 2, lift your right leg up, drop your right feet forward. 3, exhale, again, mountain. 4, opposite feet forward. 5, exhale. 6, inhale. Look forward properly. Laser pose में सामने देखना है, elbow properly stay. 8, exhale. 9, inhale. 10, exhale. Come on, stretch your leg. 12, inhale. 13. Excel. Very good, everyone. Try to do fast. Very nice, everyone. Pragya ji, Ruchi ji, very good. Kavita ji, very good. Nidhi ji, good. Pooja ji, come on, come on. Yes, yes. Arundhati ji, very good. 8. Anupama ji, very good. 9. 10. Very nice. 11. Good, Ishika ji, Kriti ji, very good. 12. 13. Ankita ji, knee properly straight. 14. 15. Good, Aruna ji. Very nice, everyone. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. Excel. Again, mountain, everyone. Come to mountain. Sabhi ne mountain mein aa jaye. Exhale, mountain. And drop your right feet forward, everyone. Drop your right feet forward. Hold elbow straight, body one line. Tuck your left toe, left knee up. Look forward. 1. Very nice. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Again, mountain. Drop your right feet forward. Again, mountain. Then drop your right feet forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very nice, everyone. Come to child pose. Forehead down, chest and chin down. So next, everyone, lying on your back like this and turn your body one side. Okay, right side like this and bend your elbow like this. Okay, and drop your head, your elbow. This position. Okay, knee and feet both one line and drop your left hand, your thighs like this. Elbow properly straight. Then very gently body आपको बिल्कुल one line पे रहेगा, right? Then inhale, 1, lift your leg up, then touch your ankle, stretch your leg, knee properly straight, like 1, then 2, down, exhale, 3, again very gently up, hold your ankle, then back, like continue, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, very good. 11, come on, stretch your leg, knee straight. 12, 13, 14, good, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, again everyone, lift your leg up and hold your ankle, stretch your leg. and hold 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, relax. Now same opposite side. Change your leg. Opposite side. Okay, now leg properly straight. Bend your elbow like this, body one line. Then inhale, lift your left leg up. Knee properly straight. Hold your ankle. 1. Relax. Now roll your shoulder back, straight to your spine. Close your eyes. Take a long deep breathing. Now very gently breathe out. Again, deep breathing. Breathe out. Now join your both palm 3 times. Om Shanti chanting. Om Shanti. 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 Very gently and softly rub your both palm. Touching your eyes, touching your face, touching your neck, touch upper body and lower body slowly, head down. Thanks for God. Hari Om. Come back everyone. Very gently open your eyes and relax. Yes everyone, any question?
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
मैम कल क्लास बहुत जल्दी ओवर हो गई थी, मैं आउट हो गई थी उसमें से।
सॉरी एक्चुअली हाँ मैं कल का आपको बताना भूल गई थी। एक्चुअली वो ना नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम एक्चुअली लास्ट के 10 मिनट्स पहले ही एंड हो गया था। हाँ तो वो मैं रिज्वाइन करने की कोशिश कर रही थी क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा बारिश हो रही थी। आई थिंक उस वजह से शायद से डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था। सॉरी एक्चुअली कल के लिए आपको इन्फॉर्म भी नहीं कर पाई, एकदम से डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था। ओके, एनी क्वेश्चन? Okay, chale.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, welcome. Bye, everyone. Take care.
Bye.
Have a nice day. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye. Okay, bye.